left side.
Where are we? Sorry.
We're Shibuya crossing. We're trying to look for the Wendy's first kitchen so we can have our dinner.
Wow.
That's a moon. That's a moon.
I want to see the crossing. Oh yeah, the crossing. So let's see.
Oh, we're gonna cross.
I know. Let's look together. Where are we going?
This way.
Let's go center.
Wait, just help me because I get like.
Let's go to the center. That way. I think it's that way. Let's go around that way. I think that way actually. Let's go. Can we go in the middle? Or this way. Then go around. Wow. Oh, Starbucks is right there. Oh, yes. Look at the panda on the wall. Oh.
Do you think we're going left that way or like
the route go.
I think it's through here.
You think so?
Yeah.
Go. Oh, go in the middle. It's this right here.
That was pretty good.
I know. Yeah. Oh, what's that tree? Did you see that tree? It was bumping.
Yeah, we can go through there.
So fun.
Hey, you got me. Take a second. It's just 2 minutes away. There's all the Sorry, I'm using my map, that's why I can't record everything.
Fine.
I'll record after.
It's Sequoia. Oh, there's our Kia.
Yeah.
My kids are there. Wow. Where? There's ramen place there. Oh, we saw this on the thing.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
Should be 1 minute away. Look.
So cool.
This is so fun. Why is too fun?
What the heck is this?
And there's like a lot of places like this too, not just here. Oh, there. Wendy's first kitchen.
Is it? Yeah.
Yeah.
It's right there. It's this one. Hula hula.
We're in Shibuya. Hello.
Yeah.
And we're heading to first kitchen right now. Wendy's first kitchen. Woo! Wendy's first kitchen is so delicious to get their shaka shaka fries. How do you feel, Mills?
Can't wait. I'm so happy. Is this still open? Hello. 9:30?
Oh, yeah, that's good. Thank you.
Thank you. You get shoes. Sorry.
Rizzo, do you know what you want? Here, here. What do you guys want? You just want fries? Get whatever you want. Those are everything on ramen, whatever? Oh, that's later. Ano yan yung ano?
Yung maliit lang sa akin, na may parang junior, gano'n. Yun lang, junior burger. Yun lang gusto ko.
Sa akin, ganyan din lang maliit lang.
Products. Junior sa akin, junior.
Like one of these, like the US. Like the US.
Small.
US. On the front. 2 Wendy's, okay, yeah. And then I'll get the mushroom melt burger. No.
It closed at 9:30. Yeah. Yes.
Rizzo, what did you want? What burger did you want? It's 9.
Alright, Wendy's done. Where are we off to? Where are we off to now? Where are we off to?
We are headed to the Can-Do.
Can-Do. Is it
Everything
the dollar
is supposed
store?
to be about 100 yen.
Which is a dollar?
Yeah, we have 30 minutes. Let's
30
go.
minutes. Alright. Let's see what they have there. Ooh, McDonald's too.
I like how it's like Malamig right now.
Yeah, I know. Last time you guys were here, you guys were melting, right?
It was hot. It was really hot. Ooh, the McDonald's looks bomb.
This is the perfect weather ate, huh? Perfect weather.
Oh yeah.
Chicken salad. Is it here?
Yeah.
We are turning. It smells like something.
So fun. It's so alive.
I know.
Everyone's super awake.
Love it. Gotta love it.
2-minute wait right down that street.
Yes.
So excited.
Ooh, what's that? Is that an arcade? Or is that the one? This is the
I
one.
think I went through the wrong,
Wait.
how do I get through that street? Let's cross the street here.
I thought it's this one right here. Yeah, I remember it's in here. On like the videos. Third floor.
The Can-Do?
I remember this floor. Oh, maybe I remembered this side. Let's go to the candle though.
No, but
Yeah, it's closing. That one is closing. That's the picture.
I'm trying to figure it out.
This way, I think.
Follow me.
Okay.
Oh, you can do the pictures here.
Yeah.
That's the picture pond.
Yeah.
Oh, it's right there. I found it.
Oh, yeah.
Found everything in one.
Great.
Across the
Great.
street. I don't know if it's allowed.
Let's just cross it.
Yeah.
Crosswalk.
Have to go downstairs. It's downstairs.
Yep. So fast.
Downstairs.
Yeah, 10 p.m. We are at Kandu. We have 30 minutes to shop there. So it's the $100 yen shop. Let's see what we can get. Shop, shop, shop. Oh, oh.
Lahat ganun ang presyo?
No. Okay.
It's like what's that store? Omomo.